This is two of our AC line repair kits, used to splice both the high and low pressure rear AC lines of a Nissan Armada.
Auto Cooler Solutions. Get your cool back.
These particular kits are 8mm, which is product number TR8M, and 12mm, product number TR12M. At the time of this video, Auto Cooling Solutions does not make a set of rear AC lines for this vehicle. So our next best solution is EasyFlex AC line repair kits. It's important to get a nice clean cut of your line. But before you cut, our kits are designed to be a flexible splice. They attach to your line and fill the cutout section of their noted length. Example, a 12-inch AC line repair kit means the part of your line cut out is 12 inches. But don't cut anything yet. Any standard tube or pipe cutter will work to cut your line. Some tube cutters have a notch on the roller. Be sure the notch is on the side of tube you'll be disposing. Cut slow. Go around your line with minimal pressure many times. Try to keep your line round while cutting. From the factory, these lines had a black coating on them. This can usually be removed using the emery cloth provided. And don't forget to remove any burrs or loose metal from cutting. Use the emery cloth for that as well. Once the line is prepped and ready, the tech positions the hex nut and the crush ring on the AC line. Once you've hand tightened the threaded nut, finish with open-end wrenches. The size will be determined by your kit. Repeat the process for both ends of the line. The hex nut should thread almost all the way over the threads. Use caution and be careful here. It's going to be important this is tight. It can be over-tightened and damage to the tube can occur. Once it's all connected and tight, it's time to vacuum the system and recharge.